Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can invite friends to 1xBet. This is useful because you can earn referral bonuses and rewards when your friends sign up and play. So once you've logged into your account, what you will have to do is you will just have to click your profile icon and then you will see invite friends under it. So just go ahead and click that and you will just have to wait for it to load. So now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to click um, take part. So fill in the details. Of course, you do have to fill in the details first. So you do have to make sure to fill in this completely so that you will be able to actually invite your friends. And then once you've filled out everything, you will just have to you will see a unique referral link or something like that, and then you will just have to share it via your social media or messaging apps. And when your friend signs up using your link, they may get a welcome bonus. And once your friend completes their first deposit or wager, you will receive the referral bonus in your account. And yeah, that's basically just how it is. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.